usually when we are in the lab, we use microscopic slides and we view phases of mitosis. This is the name of our experiment today. But since we are doing this online, I will teach you about the phases, how we look at them under the microscope, how they look like under the microscope, and I will give you a very small assignment. It is not a lab report, it's just a small assignment. So, as you learned in the lecture, mitosis is cell division. We need cell division for renew the cells in body, and we have two types of cell division. Mitosis is one and the other is meiosis. As you know from the lecture, mitosis happens in all cells, while meiosis happens in sex cells. Mitosis begins with the same number of chromosomes, ending up with the same number of chromosomes. Like in human, we start with 46 and we end up with also 46 chromosomes in each new cell. So the stages that we need to learn about mitosis, in each phase, there is a certain things that happen. Now, my main concern as a lab, I need you to recognize these phases. My aim is not to know what actually is going on, same as the lecture. Of course, you have to memorize what happened in each phase. I need you, as in lab, when you see the picture of any cell phase, a cell division phase, to recognize which phase is that. So are we clear with this? I don't want you to write down what you have learned in the lecture. I need you only to recognize the phases, as you can see it under the microscope. So the picture that I will show it right now in the slide, let's imagine that this is a microscopic slide and this is what you are learning. So first of all, the first stage is interphase, where it is a beginning phase for the cell to divide. Mainly you will recognize number 1, prophase, 2, metaphase, 3, anaphase, and telophase, or let's say the last part, cytokinesis. You will learn mitosis in both plant cell and animal cell, which is mainly similar with a little bit differences. But as I said earlier, my main concern is to recognize the phase. I don't want you to focus on just memorizing the phases and list those phases as in lecture. Let's keep that to the lecture, okay? So, to begin with, mitosis in plants. Prophase is where the chromosomes are being active inside the nucleus, okay? So as you can see over here, this is prophase. This is the cell wall of the plant, and this is the nucleus. Look how big the nucleus becomes. It's not on the side like we used to know in plant. And look for the chromosomes. This is a real chromosomes taken. This is prophase and this is a prophase. This is early prophase and this is late prophase. Now the chromosomes over here are ready to duplicate, okay, and separate cells into two new. This is metaphase, and metaphase where all the chromosomes are aligned in the center. And over here it's a beginning of separation. It's an early anaphase, but this is anaphase. This is the one I need you to concentrate. Look how each chromosomes are going to each part of the cell wall. This is late anaphase, and at the end there is a plate creation over here to separate two cells, and now the chromosomes will bind together with a nuclear membrane, creating two cells. We will start with 46 chromosomes. We will end up also with 46. The reason in here in interphase, the chromosomes will duplicate. So if a human has 46 chromosomes, it will duplicate into 92. But this is plant, okay? So prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, or cytokinesis. Also, this is another picture that shows very clearly. This is, look how it looks very dots. This is because active chromosomes are there. This is anaphase. This is metaphase. And over here, cytokinesis. Hope this is clear. This is the animal cell. Now, let's see this picture over here. This is prophase. This is prophase. This is alignment in the center. Look, the chromosomes are in the center. Okay? It's alignment. It's an align chromosomes. Over here, they're beginning to pull the chromosomes to each side. This is anaphase. And as you can see, we have two cells over here. Again, look at prophase. Look how it becomes like a dots inside the nucleus. Also, the nucleus will enlarge and the nuclear membrane will be removed. This is the cell membrane. It becomes very duplicated. So this is interphase, prophase, but I don't need you to recognize interphase. Just start with the prophase. Metaphase, look at the alignment. Anaphase, separation of the chromosomes, and then a plate will be formed to separate the two cells, and each cells then will create a nuclear membrane surrounding the new chromosomes. So basically, as I said earlier, okay, I don't want you to write for me or memorize what happened at each phase. I only want you to understand what's going on, of course, but I need you to recognize the picture. Like, for example, if I give you this picture, you will tell me that this is animal cell and this is metaphase, mitosis metaphase, like this one over here, okay? You will tell me that this is an animal cell, this is not a plant, and this is anaphase, and this is mitosis, not meiosis, okay? So, recognize each phase, okay? This is the aim of the lab. I will give you a very small assignment where I'm gonna ask you to draw. Try to use your imagination, or sorry, not imagination, your skills to do the drawings, okay? Hand drawing, I prefer. Take many times to draw the phases and then capture or attach them and send them to me in the assignment part, okay? So this is all for today. As I said, it's recognition of each phase, and good luck. It's very simple. Hope you understand. For any question, just please let me know and send me email.